In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Copilot Pro in Microsoft 365. This quick and simple process will help you leverage the powerful capabilities of Copilot, a tool designed to enhance your productivity within the Microsoft 365 suite. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open any Microsoft 365 app on your computer. It could be Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or any other application within the suite. The choice is yours, and you'll find that the process is pretty much uniform across all these applications. Once you've got your app up and running, ready to assist you, we're on our way to getting Copilot Pro enabled. Now, the next essential step is ensuring you're signed in with the correct Microsoft account. This is crucial because Copilot Pro is tied to your subscription. You want to make sure that you're using the account that has access to all the goodies of Microsoft 365. If you aren't sure, you can simply double-check by going to the account details within the app, usually found at the top right corner. Make sure you're using the account with the appropriate privileges. Otherwise, Copilot won't show up even if we complete the next steps. After you've confirmed that you're signed in with the right account, let's move to the settings. Look towards the top left corner of the application. Do you see that File tab? Go ahead and click on that. A menu will drop down, presenting you with a variety of options. From there, find and select Settings. It's like the control center for your Microsoft 365 app, where you can customize everything from your profile to privacy settings. Now within Settings, what we're looking for is a toggle for Copilot. It might be nestled among other options, but don't worry, it's there. Go ahead and turn it on. This switch is what brings Copilot to life, allowing it to integrate seamlessly into your Microsoft 365 experience. Once you flip the switch, you'll be all set to use Copilot Pro, and there you have it. You've successfully enabled Copilot Pro in Microsoft 365. Now you're well equipped to boost your productivity by taking full advantage of the personalized assistance and insights that Copilot provides. Whether you're drafting a document, working on a spreadsheet, or creating a presentation, Copilot is there to lend a helping hand. If you run into any issues or have further questions, remember that within your Microsoft 365 app, there are extensive help resources and FAQs that can assist you. For now, enjoy exploring the capabilities of Copilot Pro and watch how it makes your workload smoother and more efficient. Thanks for tuning in, and happy productivity.